Okay, so I just made a video on y equals mx plus c, and we said that the value for m on the top one is 3, okay, and the value for c is 2. So that's c. So when I turn on that graph there, you can see it goes through the 2 because that's what. So the c is the y-intercept. Okay, again, the c is the y-intercept. This bit here where it intercepts the y-axis. M is the gradient. M is how steep the line is. And on my last video I explained how to calculate the gradient. So I won't go into that again. But what I want to do now is talk about how to plot. What about if the equations are written a bit differently? So what about if I, instead of having them written y is equal to something times x plus something, what about if I had something like x plus y is equal to 3? Well, it still produces a straight line graph. So how would I know where it's going to be? Let's turn off that one. Well, first of all, I'm actually going to just change that to take away, actually. Right. Y take away x looks like that. So that's a bit confusing, isn't it? So why don't we try to understand why it is that? Well, it's because, we need to rearrange the equation first. So if x minus y is equal to 3, then what we're going to do is we're going to add y to both sides. So we have x is equal to 3 plus y. And then we're going to flip it around. So 3 plus y is equal to x. And then we're going to take away 3. So y is equal to x minus 3. And now we can see, okay, so therefore it's 1 times x, which means m must be 1. M is equal to 1. And this time we have a negative y-intercept. So c is equal to negative 3. And as you can see, it does in fact go through negative 3. Okay. So in your question over here, if we zoom in, I will get rid of my drawings, where we have y equals x plus 4. That's not too bad. That's just a standard. So m would be 1 and c would be 4. But in this one, you have to rearrange the equation first. So we'll have to see how we can do that to work out after that what's the equation going to be. Okay, so I'll stop the video there.